Welcome to Best Woodworking, where we explore the world of modern forestry and woodworking technology. In this video, you'll see powerful machines in action, from logging and mulching to wood chipping and sawing, demonstrating the remarkable process that transforms standing timber into valuable lumber, firewood, and finished wood products. Our journey begins with the SOR-DRE-WPL, a versatile machine designed to handle the heavy lifting and preparation of felled logs. At the earliest stage of logging, speed and efficiency are crucial. This system allows operators to move large tree trunks quickly and safely, clearing forests while preparing timber for further processing. For many in the industry, equipment like this reduces the manual strain once shouldered by teams of workers, replacing hours of back-breaking labor with mechanical precision. The machine's hydraulic gripping system provides excellent stability, keeping logs firmly in place during transport. By moving timber directly to staging areas or loading platforms, it ensures a continuous workflow, minimizing downtime between logging and transport. For older generations, this marks a remarkable leap forward from traditional chainsaw and axe methods, showing how far forestry operations have advanced in just a few decades. Next, we see the Quick Attach Power Axe PRO with rotating capability, a piece of equipment designed to make splitting wood faster and more efficient. Traditionally, splitting logs was done with wedges and hammers, requiring both time and strength. Here, hydraulics do the hard work. The rotating feature allows precise positioning, saving operators from manually turning heavy logs. This combination of strength and control makes it ideal for producing firewood or preparing wood for chipping. For small contractors and large-scale operations alike, it represents a perfect blend of power and efficiency. Mulching is an essential part of forest management, and the FAE UML/SSL 150 VT mulcher, mounted on a Kubota SVL 90 skid steer, shows just how effective modern tools can be. Instead of burning or hauling away leftover branches and undergrowth, this mulcher grinds everything down into fine, reusable mulch. The Kubota skid steer provides mobility and stability across rough terrain, while the FAE mulcher shreds thick brush, saplings, and even small trees. This not only clears land for replanting or further logging, but also improves soil health by returning organic matter directly to the ground. For landowners, mulching prevents wildfires by removing dry undergrowth. For farmers, it keeps fields clear. And for timber companies, it means cleaner work sites and healthier forests. Compared with earlier bulldozer methods that left fields scarred, today's mulching technology is precise, sustainable, and far more environmentally friendly. This step bridges logging and land management, reminding us that every stage of forestry has a purpose, whether it's producing lumber or maintaining healthy ecosystems. Transporting heavy logs requires strength and dexterity. The DFI Pinsos Cargadora is a log grapple loader built to handle exactly that. Its claw-like arms securely grip logs, allowing operators to lift, stack, and load timber onto trucks with ease. Such machines ensure logs are handled quickly and safely without the risk of rolling or dropping. For anyone who remembers when crews used horses, chains, and hand tools to drag logs out of forests, the difference is astounding. Modern grapples reduce injuries, speed up work, and increase the volume of timber moved per day. It's a crucial link between harvesting and processing, moving raw logs to where they'll be cut, chipped, or sawn into usable lumber. Now let's look at one of the most important steps in modern wood handling: chipping. The Timberwolf TWW150 VTR chipper is a powerful tracked machine that reduces whole branches and small logs into uniform wood chips. Why is this so valuable? Wood chips are used in landscaping, playground surfacing, bioenergy production, and even paper manufacturing. By chipping, forestry companies can turn what was once considered waste into a profitable product. The TW150 VTR, with its tracked undercarriage, can access difficult terrain, hillsides, woodlands, or muddy areas, where wheeled vehicles might struggle. Its feed rollers pull material smoothly into the cutting system, while advanced safety features protect the operator. The end result: mountains of neat, uniform chips that are easy to transport, sell, or use directly on site. This demonstrates another key point in the journey of timber. Not every piece of wood becomes lumber. Many smaller branches and imperfect logs are diverted into other industries. Nothing goes to waste. It's a perfect example of how today's forestry blends efficiency with sustainability, ensuring that every part of a tree is put to good use. Precision is essential in forestry, and the Hool Trex delivers exactly that. By making vertical cuts, it allows operators to trim and section trees with accuracy that was once unimaginable. This is especially useful in urban or controlled settings, where trees must be cut into sections without damaging surrounding property. With the Trex, tall trees can be safely dismantled piece by piece. It's another reminder of how far technology has come, making dangerous work safer and more controlled. After trees are felled and transported, some logs are destined not for lumber, but for firewood. The BuiltRight 18 SCPHP firewood processor demonstrates how this is done on a commercial scale. This machine takes full-length logs and transforms them into split firewood in one continuous process. The hydraulic saw cuts the log to length, while a powerful splitter reduces each round into neatly sized pieces. Conveyor belts then carry the finished firewood into storage or directly into waiting trucks. For those who grew up stacking firewood by hand, this is a game changer. What once took entire families days or weeks can now be done in a matter of hours. The firewood market remains strong, especially in colder regions of the US and Europe, where wood stoves and fireplaces are still popular. Firewood processors like the BuiltRight ensure consistent sizing, clean cuts, and large volume production, meeting both domestic and commercial demand. This stage highlights the diversity of wood products. While some timber becomes construction lumber, other portions go straight to heating homes. Woodland and farmland often overlap, and maintaining soil fertility is just as important as harvesting timber. Here we see a specialized truck transporting and spreading liquid manure, or goule, at 1,900 meters altitude. Although it may seem unrelated to forestry, this process is closely connected. Nutrient-rich manure helps restore land after logging, supports new tree growth, and maintains the balance between agriculture and forestry. At high altitudes, where soil is often poor, machines like this ensure that replanted trees and nearby crops have the nutrients they need to thrive. The truck is engineered to handle steep slopes and rough terrain, a testament to how modern machinery adapts to difficult environments. With precision spreading systems, it delivers organic fertilizer evenly across fields and forest areas. For American viewers, this echoes similar practices in rural farming regions, where dairy or livestock manure is recycled back into the land. It reduces chemical fertilizer use, improves sustainability, and keeps soils productive for generations. This scene reminds us that forestry is not just about cutting trees. It is part of a larger cycle that includes farming, land restoration, and responsible stewardship of natural resources. By understanding this connection, we see how industries work together to keep both forests and farmlands thriving. Clearing land often means removing smaller trees that can't be harvested as lumber. The Quick Attach EZ Mow shows how efficiently this can be done, tackling even a 9-inch tree with ease. The machine functions like a hybrid between a mower and a tree shear. Its sharp blades cut through trunks cleanly, while powerful hydraulics provide the force needed to bring trees down safely. For operators, this means faster clearing with less effort. Why is this important? In forestry, not every tree in a stand grows straight or healthy. Some must be removed to allow stronger specimens to thrive. In land management, clearing smaller trees prevents overgrowth, reduces fire hazards, and prepares sites for construction or farming. The Easy Mow is designed with efficiency in mind. Instead of using chainsaws or bulldozers, one operator can handle clearing duties quickly and safely. For older audiences, this demonstrates just how much land clearing has changed. What once required teams of men with saws and axes is now done by a single machine in minutes. This step connects back to earlier mulching and chipping processes, removing unwanted trees, managing land effectively, and ensuring that the remaining forest grows stronger and healthier. Even after trees are cut, the job isn't finished. Stumps remain, posing hazards for machinery, regrowth, or land use. The quick-attach mini stump grinder provides an effective solution. This compact but powerful tool attaches to skid steers, allowing operators to grind stumps down below ground level. Its rotating cutting wheel tears through solid wood, reducing stumps to chips. From the operator's view, you can see how smoothly the grinder works, maneuvering around tight areas and ensuring a clean finish. For construction sites, farming fields, or replanting projects, this step is essential. In the past, stumps were removed by burning, pulling with chains, or even blasting with dynamite, dangerous and time-consuming methods. Today's stump grinders offer a safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible alternative. By removing stumps, land can be repurposed immediately, whether for planting new trees, farming, or development. This machine represents the final stage of clearing, preparing the way for the next cycle of growth or construction. Here, the FAE DML/SSL 125 mulcher shows compact power at work. Perfect for smaller jobs, it delivers the same benefits as larger mulchers in a more agile package. And so, we've journeyed from towering trees to finished products, exploring the machines that make forestry possible today. From logging to mulching, chipping, and sawing, every step has its role. Thank you for joining us on this look at the remarkable world of modern wood processing.